This is the RS3. It's a really attractive, small size, 1.2-inch AMOLED screen, really bright outside when you crank that brightness up. Smartwatch. It's got step count information, heart rate information. Oh, and when you touch it, you get your chart of the day. Even an anomalous reading like that one. And, of course, it's giving you your continuous heart rate on the screen. So if you're really tracking your heart rate, this is a great one for that. You've got last night's sleep time information, weather forecast in your area, a breathing exercise to help you relax, and back to your watch faces. When you come down, you get into all the different apps in the watch, your heart rate, your step count, blood oxygen is supported as well, different sporting activities, jogging and walking and biking, all tied to a Sony GPS module in here that's supposedly high accuracy and low power. You have all these other activities as well, including swimming. They're all in here too. You also have weather, your exercise records, last night's sleep information, notices, music player, and more, which includes stopwatch, countdown timer, finding your phone, and that breath training. We already saw that card. Settings, a simple watch faces, brightness, about the device, power off, and recovery. All in all, it's a beautiful little watch. It's very lightweight, comfortable TPU band on it. You have very thin red diode for blood oxygen and green diode for everything else. It's the RS3. Check it out.